welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing eyeshadow bingo. If this is your first time here on my channel, what I do is I have all the names in little baggies by row. So I have my Makeupgeek Mega Matrix palettes, and basically what I do is I go row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, and I pick one shadow from each row and I try to come up with a look. It's super simple. I got the idea from Marlena from Makeupgeek. She's the owner of Makeupgeek, and I don't know, you guys seem to really like it, and I haven't done one in a while. So if you're new around here, welcome. My name is Jackie. I'm so glad that you're here. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video, or as often as you like to be reminded about my videos. My videos are here for whenever you guys want to come back and watch them. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, you guys, so I have my little baggies. Like, yes, I don't know if this works. This is what I've been doing. And I have all the names in the baggies, and we're just going to go ahead and pick all 4 shades, and then I will show you guys the color story, and we will get started on the eye look. If it's one that I used before, I think I'll throw it back in, but so far we've been good. Okay, so we got Creme Brulee. I'm going to set it off to the side, and then I'll put the color story together for you guys. And then for row 2, we have Tiki Hut. And then row 3, we have Morocco. Oh, is this gonna be an orangey look? Don't get me wrong, I love the vibe, but I just did an orangey look not too long ago. And row 4 and our final color is Chocolate Wasted. So I'm gonna get the color story together, and then I'll show you guys the color story and we'll get started. Okay, you guys, so this is our color story. Very neutral, very fall-esque. I hope that it's showing up nice and pigmented the way they look in the pan. On my screen they look a little different, but this is our color story. It's gorgeous. I'm excited. And just so you can see the shades that are missing, we have row 1, row 2, and then row 3 and row 4. Okay guys, so we're gonna get right in here, and I'll pop on whatever shades I'm using up on the screen for you guys. So very first shade, I'm just gonna go in. That is the shade Creme Brulee, and I'm just gonna use this as like a startup shade here, and then we will use it again later as well, possibly. And I'm just using an Morphe M504, and again, you guys know that I like to, well really this is so light it doesn't matter, but for my transition shades I like to go in, buff, 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 and then kind of go in circular motions and start dragging. So going into my next shade, I'm going to start right here, kind of like on the lower outer corner, and just slowly blending and dragging. And when blending, you don't want to press so hard because you will make the shade go muddy. And now I'm going to go into a smaller brush. This is the Morphe 321, and we're going to go into the Morocco shade. And I'm kind of going to place this starting kind of like where my crease will cut. I'm just going to do like a little outline first, and then I'll pack on and blend. So I'm kind of just packing the shade a little bit, and then I'm gonna get a clean fluffy brush. It's a smaller brush. It is a M330, and I'm just gonna blend, start slowly bringing it up, and I'm basically just repeating the process until I like the way that it looks. And just remember, I've said it before, sometimes it might be like, wow, well, you covered up that shade under there, but really it's just bringing in different layers into the look, and you can always go back and touch up with the shades you were using previously if you want more of the brown or more of the lighter tan shade that we use. Okay, so I cleaned off that M321, and now we're going to go into Chocolate Wasted, and we're going to kind of apply that down here and then blend up. You don't want to apply too high up, because when you go to blend, it'll be too high up, and then your blend is going to end up at your eyebrow. So we're just applying and then blending, feathering out. And then I'm just going to take a tiny bit of Tiki Hut and kind of blend it in between Chocolate Wasted and Morocco. So now that we look like a raccoon, I'm going to take a little bit of concealer or primer, whatever you have, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to cut the crease. And I'm just going to load up my brush here. And I'm going to put a little bit and then look up, and it'll kind of guide me on where to cut my crease. And if you're wondering what brush this is the Automatic Crease Control Brush. Okay, so I went ahead and I cut that crease. We're going to work with one eye at a time. So what I'm going to do is whatever setting powder I'm going to use later on, I'm just going to use to set the concealer a little bit. And we're basically just going to set it about, I don't know, halfway. Just like that. And then I'm going to mix a little bit of Tiki Hut and Morocco. And we're just going to apply that here on the back half of the eye. And then slowly try to blend forward. And then we're going to take Chocolate Wasted and we're going to apply that here. I'm just kind of keeping it like on the lower half of the cut crease so it can like smoke up, but I'm not looking to like completely separate that. I still want you to be able to see that there's a cut crease. And then blend it into the Morocco shade. And I actually have two separate brushes, so I'm just taking the same brush and going into the Morocco shade and kind of like packing that over Chocolate Wasted and kind of going back and forth. So that is the completed look. I hope that you liked it as much as I do. I wanted to go like dramatic and everything, but still kind of soft. So I kept the lashes very soft. Honestly, I could have just put mascara on my lashes. It would have looked the same. But, you know. Also, if you're wondering what's on my lips, I'm wearing the Vina lip gloss from Automatic Cosmetics. And I lightly lined my lips with Coqueta Lip Liner as well. If you're wondering where the earrings are from, they are from CO. I will leave the link down below to her website, but the earrings are currently sold out. So I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Again, color story, loved it, warm, fall-esque, like can't go wrong. Okay, you guys, if you guys want to see more of these, let me know down below. Anything else that you might want to see, let me know. I am pre-recording right now. October is pretty busy for us. We have like all the birthdays in October. So even though we're staying home, we might be, you know, having family time. So I am pre-recording, so if you do request something, I will get it out as soon as I can. But for now, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Adios!